Hello, hello. Today, you read I need that you has your notebook, your reader book, and pencil and no more. Please open your reader book, page 23. A trip to the attic. Please write date, July 2020. Topic, a trip to the attic. Performance, read a story. Vocabulary. Attic is the part of the house on the top of the house, okay? This is the attic. Sleepover is when you go with your friends and sleep in other house. And spooned around cuando look other person, okay? And the drop into a whisper is when you speak with other person low voice. Ok, en el vocabulario tenemos attic, altillo, que es la parte superior de la casa, hay un cuarto en algunas casas. Sleepover, cuando vas a hacer una pijamada, duermes en la casa de otra persona. Spoon around, cuando vigilas a otra persona, pero sin que se den cuenta. And drop into a whisper is when you speak with other, but hablas con otra persona, pero en silencio, ¿ok? Que como en secreto. Okay, we start with the activity. Look, I went to my best friend Deborah's house for a sleepover. She's Deborah's house, and Deborah is her best friend, and she go to sleep over. As I got out of the car, my mom said, okay, she go out of the car and the mother said, now, Ali, don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Continue. And you should always be polite. Tienes que ser siempre, deberías ser siempre muy educado. Polite. Be polite. Es cuando eres muy decente, dices thank you, please. Yes, polite. Continue. I will, mom, I said. Lo voy a hacer, ¿sí? I will, mom. If you are hungry, you should ask politely for food. Si tienes hambre, tienes que ser polite. Preguntar, pero educadamente, algo así. Continue. Don't just open the refrigerator, my mom continued. Okay? Don't open. Continue. You should clean up your mess. You should clean up your mess. And remember. Okay. And remember. Look, I look in the book. Don't snap around. No vigiles lo que no es, como revisar, mirar. I know, Mom, I yell and I rise to Deborah's house, okay? Deborah opened the door before I knocked. Antes de que ella tocara, ya Deborah opened the door. Open the door. She said, Ali, I have a big plan for tonight. Big plans. Unos grandes planes para hoy, para esta noche. We are going to eat pizza and watch a movie. Then she said, her voice dropping to a whisper. Ahí mira, ella ya empieza a hablar en secreto a la amiga y le dice, we are going to explore the attic. Okay, we are going to explore the attic. Deborah's mom was listening. Espérame. Deborah was listening. Ah, y ahí pregunta la mamá. Did you mention the attic? ¿Lo dijiste el ático? Don't go up there, she said. Don't go up there. Okay, dice no vayas a ir, no. All right, mom. Yes, ella sí le dice, yes, mom, don't worry. Okay, continue. And Deborah, when her mom walked away, cuando la mami se va, when her mom walked away, Deborah said, I wonder, my God, Deborah said, I wonder what's in the attic. She always, yo deseo saber qué hay en el ático. She always tells me not to go in there. La mami siempre le dice, don't go in there. Maybe she keeps your birthday present in the attic. Look, ella piensa que de pronto tiene su regalo de birthday present. I said. Or maybe she's hiding something horrible up there. Ella dice, hay algo horrible allá arriba. Ay. Deborah said. Okay. And we finish in this moment.